How to redeem a code on Steam. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to redeem a code on Steam, whether it is a game key, gift card, or wallet code. So first of all, open any web browser on a device. Now once inside the web browser, search for the redeem Steam code at the search address bar and hit enter. Then once you hit enter, you'll get to see redeem code option available at the top. Now simply tap on it and navigate to the Steam's official website. Now, once inside the Steam's official website, you will get to see a box option available there where you'll have to enter your code. So here you'll have to enter the Steam code and click next or redeem option available there. If valid, your game or funds will be added to your account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.